Xiaomi Redmi Buds 5, budget-friendly audio champions. Xiaomi is known for pushing the boundaries of tech affordability, and their Redmi Buds 5 definitely continues this trend. These true wireless earbuds pack impressive features and a surprising level of sound quality, all for a price that won't break the bank. If you're searching for an all-around excellent pair of wireless earbuds without shelling out a fortune, look no further than the Redmi Buds 5. Sleek design, comfortable fit. The Redmi Buds 5 sport a stylish, minimalist look that won't draw too much attention, but still manages to look refined. Their lightweight and compact build translates to an incredibly comfortable wearing experience. You can easily forget you even have them on. Surprisingly powerful sound. Don't let the price tag fool you. The Redmi Buds 5 deliver a surprisingly rich audio experience. The 12.4mm dynamic drivers produce punchy bass, clear mids, and crisp highs. While they might not reach the heights of audiophile-grade earbuds, they easily outperform most competitors in their price range. Xiaomi has clearly spent time tuning these buds, resulting in a well-balanced sound profile that's suitable for a wide variety of music genres. Impressive noise cancellation for the price. One of the standout features of the Redmi Buds 5 is their active noise cancellation, ANC. At this price point, it's rare to find ANC this effective. The buds can block a significant amount of background noise, letting you focus on your music or podcast even in bustling environments. Whether commuting on a noisy train or working in a crowded office, you'll appreciate the extra layer of peace the Redmi Buds 5 provide. Transparency modes for situational awareness. When you need to stay aware of your surroundings, the Redmi Buds 5 offer 3 levels of transparency mode. These modes let in enough ambient sound so you can hear conversations, traffic, or important announcements without removing the earbuds. Reliable call quality. If you use your earbuds for taking phone calls, the Redmi Buds 5 won't disappoint. Dual microphones work together to isolate your voice and minimize background noise, making your voice sound clear to the person on the other end. It's a great option for hands-free calls, especially when on the go. Long-lasting battery. The Redmi Buds 5 offer an impressive battery life, especially considering their size. You can get around 6-7 hours of playback time on a single charge, with the NC turned off, and the included charging case provides several extra charges. Touch controls and water resistance. Controlling your music and calls is a breeze with the intuitive touch controls on the Redmi Buds 5. You can play, pause, adjust volume, switch tracks, answer calls, and access your phone's voice assistant, all with simple taps. Plus, with an IP5 for resistance rating, the buds can handle sweat and light rain, adding to their versatility. Fantastic value for money. The biggest draw of the Xiaomi Redmi Buds 5 is undoubtedly their value proposition. It's tough to find a better combination of sound quality, active noise cancellation, battery life, and overall features at this price. If you're in the market for affordable true wireless earbuds that deliver impressive performance, the Redmi Buds 5 should absolutely be at the top of your list. If you're intrigued by the Xiaomi Redmi Buds 5, be sure to check out more videos, like this one on the playlist, or the recommended video in the description, for even more in-depth reviews and comparisons.